ó ga ọ ó dàbíi pé ọ̀rọ̀ MC Oluomo àti Baruwa ó dàbí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ò tí ì lọ sópin o ṣùgbọ́n Alhaji Baruwa ń ṣe àlàyé nínú fọ́nrán yìí pé kò ń ṣe pé àwọn fẹ́ bá anybody jà o àwọn kàn fẹ́ fara wọn mọ́ra kẹ́bíwọ̀dì kóra wọn mọ́ra káwọn èèyàn máa rò pé bóyá àwọn olóṣèlú ló ń lo àwọn pé àwọn ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún olóṣèlú ni tìtorí ẹ̀ làwọn ṣe ń fa kí oníkàlùkù kóra wọn mọ́ra bọ̀tí àwọn náwó ìkóra mọ́ra sí wọn bọ̀ àwọn tó kù wọn fẹ́ wá sí ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn. This is DIGINAIJA. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Ẹ jẹ́ gbọ́ ẹ̀kúnrẹ́rẹ́ àlàyé lẹ́nu Alhaji Baruwa lórí ọ̀rọ̀ NURTW.
Them things going as much it. God do all judgments again, and they even find their union. They will find their lawyer 100,000 naira. We thank God for that, because everything that we do, we believe in Almighty Allah and we believe in prayer. Then after that, I thought they would call again, because my mind, I don't have mind of driving you away, and my mind is just to bring everyone together. So far as this national union with transport workers, only you cannot be easy. Only you cannot be easy. How to bring themselves together. But when they refuse, they will go from office to office. But we want to protect our own name and protect this union. We don't want them to see us that some people are using us against government. I want to call that line, because they want to push us that somebody are using us, more politicians are using us, so to against this government. No, the government of today's our government. Let me tell you facts. President Tinubu is from Yoruba land. I'm from Yoruba. He's from Lagos. I'm from Lagos. He's from Ikeja ward. I'm from Ikeja. So that's that. Why could I say? But I see the way you're going. People like to lie. Hey, Lagos is using it. Hey, PDP is using Baruwa. Hey, they are using their union to want to fight the government. I say leave them. Let God take his judge. Let's see them. Let the government see them. Let the government see them. Let us pursue them small. That's why we're here today. And today, they have dragged us to the world, and we are going to bat them. No way. We will bat them because people have seen them. Even the government has seen them. They are always lying. You cannot cover the truth. The truth cannot cover the truth. If we went to the court because we don't want a crisis in the union, then we won again. Then you take us to the appeal court again. And what do you want again? And appeal is the last court of when you have to know you cannot go to anywhere again. Anything you are doing out of that, you are messing yourself. They are degrading themselves. Quote me, they are degrading themselves. Because the whole Nigeria have seen them that Nigerian and their members are just a liar, and they want to disconnect the national union, which God will not allow them to. We called them more than 3 times, 4 times. Even the NSC General Secretary was there and said that, calling them, let us harmonize ourselves together. Very simple, because they want to be eating. They don't want the other people to eat, and it's not possible.
Eating alone.
This national house belongs to every one of us.
Yes.
It's our property. It's our father's property. You have to reach every driver in Nigeria, every member of the union in Nigeria. You have to reach them, because our father worked for it. So if we agree that we are the same mother as our father, why are we fighting ourselves? Because of what? You spend your 8 years and go. Now you spend 8 years and go. Other people spend their and go. Soldier go, soldier come, barak remain there. If we elect us and we electing us, we come and go. Equator will remain as an equator of national union. What are we looking for again? What are we saying? So I don't want you to operate with fairness. No. We have a judgment. We have judgment in our hands. and they should bring any judgment that supersedes our own. And if they came today that they agree with us, then we harmonize ourselves. You take this position, you take this position. Let us sit down together. Let us sit down together.